Today, we're making the Mustang scream. And we're gonna make it pretty loud. Like, not like obnoxiously loud yet, but we're gonna make her scream a little bit. Today, we have some new Axel back muffler deletes from Pypes. We have the Pypes Performance Exhaust Pypes Muffler delete system. And I am so excited to get these installed. I absolutely love Pypes. Huge shout out to brandspeed.com for shipping these to me. They contacted Pypes and had Pypes make these for me because Pypes is actually out of stock. Like they act PypesExhaust.com. They are actually out of it. They're out of stock, but they contacted Pypes and they made the system and they sent it to me. And I just can't wait to get this on my car. We're gonna go pick up my boys and we're gonna go install this puppy. It's the boy. All right, get your ass in here. Get in here. Like, come on.
Wait for Coke this.
Oh my God. How many people are coming to this puppy?
Just me and Coke.
All right, like, can we like hurry this up, please?
I get shotgun, right?
Yeah, of course you get shotgun. So, we're doing this.
He thought he was gonna get shotgun.
We're doing this at your house. Of course you have shotgun. If you guys are wondering why we're doing it at his house, it's because I don't have all my tools yet, but he does because his dad installed his own exhaust on the Gladiator, so I don't have all my tools yet. So, all right, we just bought the stand. Are you ready to install the bitch?
Let's get it, baby.
Let's get it. We're about to make it live. Huh?
Can I transition?
Of course you can transition.
Right now, made it back to the garage, putting the stand together, about to install the Pypes exhaust. Sponsor Isaiah Pipes.
Please.
Let's get it, baby. Here's your first jack.
Thank you, buddy. We got the exhaust that Pypes sent us. And here are the, can you zoom in on the tips? Here we got 3-inch tips by Pypes. I'm gonna jack up the car. We're gonna install this puppy and get this thing screaming. See, get that clamp off.
I think the clamp is not welded over here, okay?
I don't think it's welded on.
Pablo.
Oh shit, where is it? Alright, there it is.
Just don't get pulled over, okay? Because I'm revving the engine and I'm afraid.
I know, crap. I know, I can't get this in the hole. Where is it at?
So that's
it, dude.
Ah, that hurt.
I think it's clean.
You get it? Yeah, I'll move it. You're people, you can handle it.
I don't know.
Give me your cell phone.
Yes.
Okay, so give me. This is 13.
You want the other one?
No, this is fine.
Here, we got a view of the shot under.
Hi.
You just get my face in the frame?
Yeah, I got your face in the frame. Stuff in my eyes. Put the camera on my face.
I'm not in your face. It's getting up here.
Ow.
Getting her done, man.
Yes, sir.
You know what? Actually, here.
Now we need to get done with is this dang smoke.
I can close it more. It's easier.
True.
Jesus. Oh my God, we're actually about to get Amazon trucks. Amazon. It's a brother.
I'm not gonna say it. I'm not saying this on camera.
Alright, right here.
Yeah? Alright.
Right, Isaiah.
The fuck?
Is that tiny or loosening? Yeah, tiny. Alright, so that is getting loose. Here, use this one.
So yeah, this is getting
Where is it?
Yeah, well, here.
Want me to help?
Where's the other clamp? Where do you see the clamp?
Really? How many are in there?
He has one right there.
You just put one on.
How's that? How's that looking? Does it say pipes on the logo, or does it need to be pushed out?
That's pretty good, huh?
Look at it.
Hold on, move.
I'm trying. That's on move.
Damn it. Here. Yeah, we need,
I want it.
Is that good?
amigo, we're missing a slam.
How many more? Check in the
How
box.
many you got?
There's 2.
Put one on.
I just put one on. I think it only came with 4.
Yeah, we need 4.
The trash?
1, 2, 3. Where's the freaking other
Oh,
one?
you have it in your belly.
I am.
Okay.
You want me to take this over to the trash?
Yeah, please, the recycle.
Look at
Except
this.
I said you want these boxes for some reason.
They only
Yes,
stop
keep the
filming?
boxes.
Did they want me
Keep
to
the
stop filming?
boxes.
Yes, keep the boxes.
Is that film or not?
Yes.
Hey!
It's size 13, okay? No, I'm sorry, 15.
Is that good enough?
Get her done, bud.
Oh, that thing is gonna sound.
You
good.
lift up the thing. You lift up the thing. You lift up the thing.
Isaiah, it's getting pushed out.
Yeah, I know it is. I'm gonna.
Oh, that's good.
Remember,
That's good.
tie the clamp before.
What is it?
I know that's what I'm doing.
Like that. I'll hold it for you too.
That's gonna be really loud.
Oh, it's gonna sound nice.
Can
Can you give me my half and down on
Do
one?
you need any more butter? There's some in
Now I made it too.
I said you owe me like a 6-pack of Pacific, bro.
All right, bet.
No, I'm kidding.
Isaiah, he wasn't kidding.
Oh, Jesus. What are you doing?
Okay. Now
The tip is gone.
I know the tip is going.
No, you wanted a more hour, right?
You gotta bring the exhaust pipe all the way
We
out.
want to see the name.
Isaiah, this is a
I know,
5 minute.
that's what
Isaiah,
I'm
this
trying
is a
to do.
5-minute clip.
Right there.
Yep.
I
All right,
think that's,
almost cut.
I think that's
And then
gorgeous.
turn it again.
Hold it.
Yeah.
Damn it.
Oh, Jesus. Oh.
You know, I can't see to figure out what the problem.
Oh my god.
Oh my god. Isaiah, don't look to your right.
What? You were. I know what he was doing.
It was like
you better not have cut
It was a full moon.
I know. You better not. Is it a full moon?
Maybe.
No.
Low rider, low rider.
He's stagging, isn't he?
There's nothing wrong.
The camera.
You want me to?
No, I know. But like, how many minutes are we at?
5 to 6 minutes.
Look, cut the camera. Okay, so we had one problem with the exhaust. One of the left pipe is like one of the hangers is like too long, so it's hanging down. But we're gonna get that fixed on Monday. But we're just gonna hear the sound of it anyway. So,
Let's hear it, baby. First startup.
Okay. Okay.
Oh my god, that's loud.
That's too loud. I'm in trouble. I'm in trouble. Oh shit.
Can you hear that?
Yeah, I hear it.
Isaiah, give it a little. Wait a bit. Wait.
Let her rip, let her rip.
Imagine it shot flames.
Now she sounds right, baby.
Yeah, I do.
Alright, so we're going on our first test drive, baby. Let's get it. I gotta get the.
Oh.
This day we knew it would come. We literally knew this
Okay,
day
I
would
don't know
come.
if I can even.
Dude, I don't even. Dude, what's the first floor gonna sound like? Oh my god.
No way, dude. That was light throttle. That was light throttle.
Imagine
Shut it in
floor.
manual and then
Isaiah, the downshifts. Isaiah, do some downshifts.
Oh my god.
That was barely touching.
That wasn't even. Oh my god. This is
whip it around the
insane.
corner. Whip it around the corner.
I'm not gonna whip it.
Not here, not here, not here.
No, like the main road.
Oh my god, this is insane.
Holy shit. Okay.
Shit.
I gotta
Is there
flex.
police? Is there police?
Oh shit.
Go to the first exit. Okay. Oh my god.
Holy shit.
Oh, there's the, what's that shit called? Lexus? Yeah, the RSF.
Oh shit.
Oh my god.
Holy shit. This is too nice. This is so bad. This is so bad.
Was that a floor or something?
That was one.
Dude, it's a
Dude.
fucking Dude, oh my
Holy shit. You know what? Screw the pipe. I don't even care anymore. That was so worth it.
Oh my
Oh
god.
my. Dude, I can't wait for a tunnel.
Oh my god. We gotta take this to the
You guys know what
garage.
I'm hyped for? Pizza.
Holy shit.
Why did that sound so
Shit. What?
Dude,
Holy
no, but
shit.
imagine how it
There's
sounds
Axel.
outside. Wait, can I
Or
get
would
out
we
to
have
you?
pizza?
Oh, baby.
We got the exhaust on, baby. New exhaust, Axel. New exhaust. You heard
Steven!
that, baby?
Hey, bud.
That's good, bro.
Dude, listen to
Holy
this exhaust.
shit.
I'm telling you, it's insane. Go to the back, dude. Go to the back.
All right, I'll go to the back, and then S1, you record. You
Why
gotta
do you guys
record.
dap that kid up?
Flyby. First flyby, baby. No fucking way. That thing sounds so fucking good.
Quick downshift. We just popped. We just popped. Holy crap, dude. This exhaust is so freaking loud. Did you hear that pop when we shift? Holy shit! Alright guys, we are in the parking garage. You're recording this shit? Oh god. Guys, thank you so much for watching. If you made it to the end of the video, thank you so much. Please like, share, subscribe. And let me tell you something, guys. We are not done with the exhaust yet. That was only part one. I love the things that Pypes sent me. It's a little annoying that I have to go get it fixed because one of the hangers is too long, but the results of the sound makes it pretty worth it. And I think those are like the best Axel backs to start out with because they're only literally $291 plus tax of $300, and they sound pretty amazing. But I'll do a video on all the exhaust systems, what's the best to start out with, and then once you get enough money, which one's like the best to change to. But that's all coming soon. We're getting our X pipe coming soon with the cancel. But yeah, I'm so excited to show you guys all the
guys so much for watching. Like, share, subscribe.